Welcome to the Complete Guide to Mendeley. This video will walk you through everything you need to know about Mendeley, from installation and importing documents to citing your sources and resolving common issues. Kindly stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be a Mendeley pro. Number 1. How to install Mendeley Desktop app from the official website. To install Mendeley Desktop, go to the official Mendeley website and click on the version you want with the correct operating system to download it. Once the download is complete, open the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. It's as easy as clicking next a few times. After the installation, launch Mendeley and sign in with your Mendeley account. If you do not have a Mendeley's account, click on Register to redirect you to the Mendeley's website. Click on Create Account at the top right corner and follow the instructions, such as entering your email address, your name, family name, password, and checking the consent box. Now launch Mendeley and sign in with your Mendeley account. As a new user, when you open Mendeley, the library will be empty. Number 2. 3 methods of importing articles into Mendeley Desktop library. Are you new to Mendeley Desktop? Then let me guide you on how to add documents to your library and use them as citations in Microsoft Word. As a new user, when you open Mendeley, the library will be empty. Hence, you need to add the documents you want to use for citation. Method 1. Import documents from your computer. If you already have journal articles or PDFs saved on your computer, importing them into Mendeley is easy. To do this, click on Add Files at the top of Mendeley Desktop and locate the folder containing the documents you want to import. Select all the documents and click on Open. Mendeley will automatically extract citation details like author, title, and publication year. Method 2. Using Mendeley Web Importer. To use this method, go to Tools and install Web Importer. Click on Get Importer for Chrome. After adding it to your Chrome extensions, you should see Mendeley logo at the top right corner. Next, open the document you want to install. Here, I am using Google Scholar. Once you get to the document's website, click on the Web Importer. Ensure that the document and any other interested ones are selected. Click on Add to Mendeley. Finally, go back to Mendeley Desktop and click on Sync. After sync is complete, the documents will be automatically imported into your Mendeley library. Method 3. Manually adding articles details. This method is used when non-downloadable documents are cited. To add a document manually, click on the drop-down button beside the Add tab and select Add Entry Manually. In the New Document pop-up box, enter the details of the document you want to add, such as the document type, title, authors, journals, year, volume, and so on. And that's it. You are now ready to manage your references and create citations with Mendeley. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more research tips. Number 3. Mendeley Plugin in MS Word not found. After Mendeley installation is complete, the next thing is to install the MS Word plugin. If after installing the Install MS Word plugin, the Insert Citation is missing under the Reference tab, go to File, Options, Add-ins, Word Add-ins. Click on the Add tab and go to Program Files 86. Open the Mendeley Desktop folder and scroll to Word plugin. Open it and select the version installed. Mendeley Plugin has been added successfully. The problem has been resolved. Number for unable to open Mendeley Desktop, error message, or Mendeley Desktop crashed while loading. Are you struggling to launch Mendeley Desktop after its installation? This problem is common with the installation of the latest version of Mendeley. To resolve this, head to the control panel on your computer. Look for Mendeley Desktop in the list. If you have multiple versions installed, like I did, uninstall them all. After that, download and install the Mendeley Desktop version 1.19.8 from the official website. This version is stable and should resolve the startup issue. Once installation is complete, open Mendeley Desktop. It should now start without any errors, allowing you to continue your research smoothly. Number 5, edit the details of an imported article, such as title, author, journal, and volume. When importing documents into your Mendeley library, sometimes the details might be incomplete or incorrect. Click on the document, you'll see the details appear in the right-hand pane. To edit this document, simply click on any field you want to change. For example, if the title is incorrect, click on the title field, delete the wrong text, and type in the correct information. After confirming the details are correct, click on Details are correct. Number 6, check for duplicate articles in your Mendeley's library and merge them into one. Importing documents into your Mendeley's library can sometimes lead to duplicate entries. To check for duplicates in Mendeley's library, go to My Library and click on All Documents to display your entire collection. Click on the Tools menu and select Check for Duplicates. In this video, we have equal number of articles in Recently Added and All Documents folders because it's a new account. If you are sure that the duplicates are correct, select the duplicates and merge them by simply clicking on Confirm Merge or right-click on and selecting Merge Documents. Mendeley will combine the metadata, making sure your library stays clean and organized. That's it! You've successfully merged your duplicates in Mendeley Desktop. Number 7, insert citations in MS Word using Mendeley Plugin, a beginner's guide. To insert citation, go to MS Word. In MS Word, place your cursor where you want to insert a citation. Click on References in the Word menu, then insert Citation. A Mendeley search bar will appear. Type the author, title, or keyword related to the document. Select the correct reference and click OK. Mendeley will insert the formatted citation directly into your document. When you're ready to create your bibliography, Click Insert Bibliography in Word, and Mendeley will automatically generate it based on the citations you've used. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more research tips. Number 8. Insert multiple citations in one bracket, such as 1 to 4 in MS Word. To insert multiple citations, place your cursor inside the bracket of an existing citation where you want the multiple citations to appear. Click on Insert Citation in the Mendeley Cite toolbar. In the search bar, type the title or author name of the additional reference you want to cite. Repeat this process for as many references you want to include in a single bracket. Mendeley will automatically update your reference list. Number 9. Installing new citation styles and selecting desired citation styles in MS Word. To change citation style, click on the Style drop-down menu in the Mendeley Cite toolbar. This will open a list of available citation styles. If you need a citation style that's not listed, click on More Styles at the bottom of the drop-down. Here, you can download additional styles from the Mendeley database. Once you've found the desired style, click on Install, then Done. Finally, go back to Style and locate the installed citation style. Once the new installed style is located, click on Use this style, then Done. You can select any style you desire, or install it if it is not in the list. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.